कहता मन है ये जो धरती है एक आंगन है।
सब लोग हैं अपने यहाँ, कोई पराया है कहाँ। तू कौन है पहचान तू, इंसान से मिल इंसान तू। हाथ से हाथ मिला, हाथ से हाथ मिला, हाथ से हाथ मिला, हाथ से हाथ मिला। हाथ से हाथ मिला।
The Haath Se Haath Mila song and music video are actually part of a huge mass media campaign. It's a huge communications project that seeks to link various media platforms, entertainment and news to spread the message, to raise awareness on HIV/AIDS. I wanted to create a song and music video that would express solidarity and care and inspire people to support our cause, that is to raise HIV/AIDS awareness. Since the show was so Bollywood, I now wanted the song to be done by Bollywood's best musical talents. जावेद साहब को मैंने काफी simple brief दिया था. Let's do lyrics on हाथ से हाथ मिला moments, a slice of everyday life which depict कि हम कैसे हाथ से हाथ मिलाते हैं.
शुरू में मैं थोड़ा रिलेक्टेंट था कि अब ये इस तरह के टॉपिक पे किस तरह से गाना लिखा जाएगा और गाने में मैं क्या कहूँगा, लेकिन मैं ये आपसे ज़रूर कहूँगा कि जो कुछ मैंने लिखा उसे बहुत महसूस करके लिखा है.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy were very excited about this song, and my brief to them was also very simple, that I wanted it soulful, melodious and goosebumpy. मैंने कहा था कि अगर ये सुन के मुझे goosebumps नहीं हुए, I'm not accepting it.
It was exciting because I think the whole magnitude of the thing was great and the purpose was great.
सुन कहता क्या ये जीवन है.
I wanted Sonu to sing it because I love his voice. It has this soulful quality.
It's a very emotional kind of a song with a strong message wrapped up with lots of content, but in a subtle way, reaching the people's minds and hearts.
लोग मुझे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि why Bollywood? Well, they are the biggest youth icons and idols of today.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ जॉन अब्राहम.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ दिया मिर्जा.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ फरदीन खान.
नमस्कार, सलाम, प्रणाम. हेलो, मैं हूँ नसीरुद्दीन शाह.
The most difficult part was of course to get the stars, and my Bombay team worked really hard, dedicatedly for 3 months to make it happen.
When are you reaching?
We spent days and nights in every studio chasing stars. We knew all their cars, we knew all the stars' managers, to their spots, to their hairdressers, and would grab onto them the moment we saw them.
See, parts of the song needed choreography, especially the chorus. And I realized that I'd have 25 stars on my hands, people I'd never directed. It would be difficult to handle them. So we needed not only a choreographer, but somebody that people respected and would listen to, and also stand in places that were designated for them.
So we have two cameras. One is doing wide, it's images.
Because I do a lot of work with HIV/AIDS as our project called Dancing Feet, I immediately said yes, where, when, and what can I do to help.
It was very important to get the right DOP for this music video, somebody who saw it the way I saw it.
Knowing Anu and knowing that she doesn't take mediocrity, I mean she cannot accept mediocrity. The onus is on you to perform and kind of make sure that you give in that extra bit.
But I'm saying that that's what we're constantly doing, trying to create that we don't have time to do it.
हाथ से हाथ मिला moments, a slice of everyday life which depict कि हम कैसे हाथ से हाथ मिलाते हैं, in love, in support, care, assistance, guidance, reverence, honoring.
Smile, happy smile.
For me, shooting slice of life moments was great fun, but sometimes things could go horribly wrong. The shot was that the kid will hold the dog's paws and hold hands and do a haath se hatna shot.
See, I told them to get a smaller dog. They didn't listen to me. Got the bigger dog, and now I'm not going to get my shot. Vandana, play dog now. Acha, get the smaller dog, yeah.
Finally, Anu's solution to this was to make the boy and the dog shake hands.
Action!
हाथ से हाथ मिला
See, the entire music video had a really strong design element. I wanted the Antara stars to be in white against a black background, and the red of the HIV/AIDS ribbon would stand out. The chorus stars, I wanted them in white against a white background.
The background of those big sliced mirrors.
The challenge to do the two sets, a black set and a white set in the same space and in a very small budget, was humongous and a hugely stressful factor for us all.
You know what I'm suggesting? How many strands are over here? 15, 16, about 16 now. So we need
18
another
right
20. We need another 20 over here.
There's a lot of work to go, and we are trying to adjust things.
And you're making us conscious.
The easy part was the actual shoot itself, because everything had been done and I was working with the best professionals in the country, which made my job as a director a cakewalk. Or so I thought.
It is going to be historical and it's going to be really big. I think something big like this hasn't ever happened, if we make it happen. Of course, a lot of it is dependent on the stars. Of course, sometimes it's always, as I always say, that the difference between something good and brilliant is the last 5%.
The Antara Day shoot was complete madness because I didn't know who was actually going to come, who was going to ditch us. Sometimes I didn't know which lines to give who. So I had to do extra lines with each of the stars.
Yeah, this is Diya's line, yeah? Bandhan rahe ikrar ka.
What is this? Alap? No, what is this one? When does this come? I've never.
That's a male line.
Yes, yes.
It's a male line.
That's a male line.
Which one?
Yeah, that is.
No, I don't think you don't.
Yes.
I don't think you do.
We have to go home now.
With every minute, it is like being in a stock market where things change every minute, you know.
Can we just hear it? Music? Singing songs is not my strong point.
It's in two cuts.
Up to the first line is Tu kaun hai pehchan tu.
But we'll roll both and we'll take both.
तू कौन है पहचान तू इंसान से मिल इंसान तू हाथ से तू कौन है पहचान तू इंसान से मिल इंसान तू.
Because actually the full song, we're not doing it too soft because it's already high speed.
Technically, the entire music video has been shot on high speed, so the actors have to lip sync and act at twice the speed. But at the edit stage, when you slow it down, everything looks smooth.
The high point of the day was when Vaidaji walked in, and you know, the whole idea of a senior artist of her caliber coming in to be part of the same platform as today's girls like Tabu, and it was just one of those days where you felt that okay, when the industry decides to come together, they can really come together and be part of the same platform and work for the same cause and do it so generously.
बिल्कुल अलग है, ये टिपिकल फिल्मी गाना नहीं है, ये खास मकसद के लिए, खास चीज़ के लिए बनाया गया है, तो उसके लिरिक्स वो अच्छे हैं.
कहता मन है ये जो धरती है एक आंगन है.
Shilpa, ulti-pulti hand movement not working.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, that's much nicer.
I feel very proud of Anu to actually have taken the initiative. She works from the heart, and it's always a great pleasure working.
Either she's doing this one. She owns two of them.
Ready, Amit?
Camera. 5, 6, 7, 8.
हर मन यहाँ है चाहता कुछ दोस्ती कुछ आस था
Camera. 5, 6, 7, 8.
धागा न टूटे प्यार का बंधन रहे इकरार का हर मन यहाँ है चाहता कुछ दोस्ती कुछ आस था हाथ से हाथ मिला हाथ से हाथ मिला
Thank you guys and congratulations. You're doing a great job.
Back up.
Finally, D-Day. It was time for the chorus shoot. We were expecting 50 stars in one place at one time for one cause. Was it going to happen?
We have 2 hours and that's it. So we have 8 lines. We have 15 minutes per line. First shot is always like pan. Second shot is a close. Third shot is again a pan. Fourth shot is a close. It's always like that.
So are the stars coming?
Wait and watch.
The nightmare and the nail-biting part was not knowing what to expect and not knowing who would turn up, when they turn up.
Your Bollywood stars are confirming and last minute calling and saying, yeah.
I mean, to get so many stars together and to do everything is not very easy.
Would all our chorus stars show up? How many of them would let us down last minute?
But today we are shooting. Today's not the day to tell me that.
What would actually happen on the day? None of us knew.
Amrita Arora is here.
Hello, how are you? Hi. Cheers.
Thank God, they're here.
Full on for today. Hi everyone, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all for being here. It's a great honor for us, but more importantly the cause. Thank you very much. I know you've taken time out. Listen, I know you've taken time out for the whole mood of the song is actually not very choreographed. It is choreographed, but it's not very formal. It's meant to be casual, but I think what we really need to see here is really high energy and euphoria. So basically have fun with it and do whatever you want to make those lines come alive.
5, camera, 7,
Please remember to look at the jib camera. After video and then you have to change your look to the dolly camera later. Thank you. We're taking rolling.
Action! The most exhilarating moment for me was when we were filming the chorus. I just looked back and I saw all my girls standing around me, my team, and most of them were crying because it had finally happened. They'd finally made something which seemed like a dream. The impossible happened.
I just take my hat off to Anu and the whole team. It's worked.
I think it's been a brilliant experience.
It was hugely ambitious and a great challenge. A lot of blood, sweat and tears have gone into it. But in the end, it was completely worth it because we were making history.